So eBay's partner network, it's eBay's affiliate program. What's going on, interweb? It's Kevin, I'm back. Today we're talking about eBay's. So eBay's partner network, it's eBay's affiliate program. Have you heard of it? Probably not. So we're gonna take a quick look at how to sign up for it and how you can make $100 a day, what you need to do. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll show you how you can make even more than that. Commissions from 10% to 60%, how to find those products and how to get the training you need, so stick around. Go to partnernetwork.ebay.com, and this is where you can sign up and get all the information that you need in order to join this program. Now, our program. Why eBay? eBay, most of 80% of the merchandise there is sold as new, and it's the buy it now feature. That's 90% of it. And it's absolutely diverse. There's over 1.4 billion listings at any one time. It also serves 183 million buyers spanning 190 markets worldwide. Great thing is most people use their phone. Well, 63% of all transactions are mobile, and it's super easy. 72% of products ship for free, so there's nothing you have to deal with, and secure. 100% guarantee on luxury and eBay Authentica. So eBay is a great brand. Everybody knows it. It's been around what seems like forever. They're a huge place with a huge amount of things that you can actually sell. What makes them different? World favorite destinations. Everyone goes there. It's got the data to drive and optimize, and there's something essentially for everyone. Plus, there's trusted global brands that sell on eBay like Adidas, Philips, and Reebok. Quality stuff, brand new, buy it now. And if you want more information on this page, there's a little video that gives you the numbers if you want to check that out. So, if you want information on their affiliate marketing, what it is and how it works with them, this page you can access everything you need to know about their network and a brief history on it. Scroll through this when you have an extra minute, what affiliates earn, how it works, and the affiliate models like content blogging, deals, email marketing, loyalty programs, online compensation, product listings, your social media sharing, which is what most people do, and all the tools and mobile apps. If you're getting value from this video, make sure you smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to see future content. All right, now the rate card shows you the commission basis from all the different countries and their products. They go from 1 to 6%. You can see that here, and it also gives you the market caps of those different markets and which one you want to get into. In my opinion, if you want the quickest way to get to $100, you have to go with the highest, that's 5 to 6%. Because if you want to make $100 off of 5%, you would need to sell $2,000 worth of products. That's a lot of stuff to sell. $2,000 if you're selling one item, unless you're selling necklaces or something that's in jewelry that's like $1,000. You have to sell 2 necklaces a day to make 100. So clothing and shoes are the highest. You'd have to sell a lot of high-end brand name stuff to make a 5% commission, and to make the $2,000 cap that you would need to actually make $100 a day. So stick around to the end and I'll show you how to make it a little bit easier to make $100 a day. Solutions, how to build your ads and campaigns. They have 2 ways. You can do your create affiliate links, and first there's also the creative gallery. Creative gallery, you can create logos. This is great for bloggers or websites. You can create these little icons here, and when someone clicks on it, it'll send you through to eBay, and there's a few different ways you can create these links to where you just click on that, and anything that sells beyond that would be essentially a commission. I'll show you how that works on the next page. So creating affiliate links, there's a few different ways you can do it on their site to make it easy. They have a link generator. You can click on that link and it'll show you the exploration point. There's also the Smart Share, which is a global Google Chrome browser extension, just like any extension, you enter it in, and whatever page you're on, you click on it, and it will automatically generate a link that you can share on Facebook or Pinterest or your social media sites. So the bookmark it tool is the tool that's going to let you take those icons you saw on the last page and give you the ability to essentially turn anything that someone clicks on into an affiliate link. So if you have a blog, you're going to want to use that. There's also smart links, which is similar to what I just explained, and they have some great tools that'll help you increase your conversions and see what are the best things that you can sell. See, there's great tools like driving traffic to increase your revenue, to monitor your performance, stuff for developers, and the get started link if you want to dive in to sign up. Great resources here on insight and updates and special business models. Check that out. So you have to get prior approval in advance for some of the promotions that you do in regards to messaging like email, IM, chat, and text, the loyalty incentive programs, any software or downloadable tools that you might create or work with, mobile apps that you have where you want to send a program through it, your sub-affiliate networks, the eBay API, and paid traffic. Just go to the network agreement to get all the information that you need there. Now, to sign up, click sign up. Sign in with eBay. Now you can sign in through your Google account. If you don't have a Google account yet, you can create one, or you can click on this here to start an account with something else if you need help signing in. Now you can create your username or email here. You can continue with Facebook or just go into your Google account. So here you'd enter your information that you're going to use to market with, starting with your display name that you're going to use, your country of origin. There's hundreds of countries that you could be from that are acceptable in this program. Just select yours, enter it here. Your street address, a second street address if needed, your city, state if you're in the United States, in zip code, your phone number, the currency at which you choose to be paid. You select this. There's US, Australian, Euro, and Sterling. The different types of promotionals you would use here, website, mobile, or social networks, which is what most people do. And again, your sales agreement, 1 to 6%. Click on that. And it goes over whatever commissions you would make. To finish up, just click the sign up button and you are on your way. So the eBay Partner Network definitely has a lot of great products and is very fast, but the commissions are very low. And I told you, you can get 10 to 60%. So to get the training you need, and you're gonna need training, in the description box below this video, there is a link to my #1 recommendation to grow full-time income online, and you can start part-time by doing this. Click on that link and enter in your email. You'll be asked to confirm, and then I'll give you a brief introduction of what you can expect, and it'll send you right along to that training. So if you're still skeptical, that's fine, that's fair. What you can do is click on the video on the screen right now and watch a few more of those that'll help hopefully convince you that this is definitely the way to go. Make sure you hit the subscribe button as well to see future content.